How to export your Gmail data. First, go to Google and search for Google Takeout. Then open the official web page. This is the Google Takeout dashboard, where you can download data from all your Google services. By default, all services are selected, but since we only want to download Gmail data, click on Deselect All. Now scroll down, find Gmail, and select it. After that, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. In the Transfer To field, select Send Download Link via email. This means Google will send the download link for your Gmail data directly to your email. You can also choose other options, like saving it to a cloud drive if you prefer. Next, in Frequency, select Export Once. For file type, you can choose .zip or .tgz, but .zip is recommended because it's easier to open on most devices. In the File Size option, you can select a maximum file size of up to 50 gigabytes, depending on your data size. For most users, 2 gigabytes or 4 gigabytes works well. Finally, click Create Export. Now the export process will begin. This may take some time, depending on the size of your Gmail data. Once the export is ready, you'll receive an email from Google with the download link. Open the email, click on the mentioned Download button. The Google Takeout download page appears. Here, click on the Download button. Your Gmail data will then be downloaded successfully to your device. Simply unzip the file and you will find all your Gmail data saved in the Mbox file format. That's the complete process of exporting your Gmail data.